What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, you guys, it is a very, very, very big day. I cannot believe it. I have been waiting for this for how long? I can't even tell you guys. Let's give you a hint. You guys could probably see by the thumbnail that you guys get a hint. This Subaru, yes, the Subaru is on the trailer. We are taking it to Church Automotive Tuning, and we are gonna get this thing finally dynoed. I did not get to film a video of us putting the motor back in. It's stressful, let me tell you that. You know, you guys, when putting it in, I was like, I want to make sure it's all done correctly, want to make sure it's right, and we had to just do it ourselves and really focus. And now we get to show you guys the dyno day. We have been waiting for this for so long, so excited. So right now what we're doing is we're filling up, getting some fuel, getting some jack in the box, and we're gonna go get on the road. It's me, Brad, Kyle. We're gonna go pick up Mitchell, I'm just kidding. Mitchell, go get him, and we're gonna get on the road and hopefully make it a great day. Sorry I haven't been talking to you guys recently. Hopefully you guys have been keeping up on our Instagram. We've been doing a lot on there, trying to get that as big as possible. And you guys, oh, she's alive and I am so excited. So let's get into this video. I can't wait. I hope you guys are excited. And let's see what Dyno Day has in store for us.
Open eye.
Alrighty everyone, we have made it. We are here gonna upload the Subaru and hopefully get in there pretty soon and see what we're gonna get out of this thing. Very excited. Kyle, Brad, Mitchell, and the Subi. So we're gonna get this going and let's see what kind of power we make. Brad says 69. I don't know if that's a joke or if he's meaning it for real, but we will see. Let's get into this and let's see what happens. Alrighty guys, we are done here at Church Automotive Tuning and car is running good. Not as much power as I wish it would, but that's okay because that just means more mods and a lot more content to come, and hopefully we'll get to build this thing up to be a freaking rocket. I'm gonna get home and do a few things, just kind of see what it's like. Did a few pulls and it runs great. I'm glad that it's back to where it was. A little bit more power. We're gonna do something. I'm not gonna, if you guys follow our Instagram, I'm not gonna post the dyno sheet yet, but I'm gonna post a photo or a video of it actually on the little system, and whoever gets the closest amount of horsepower and torque to it gets a free t-shirt. So you guys, once I post it, you guys jump on it. It's spoiled_LIL_bastards. Make sure you guys follow that, and maybe you guys will get a free t-shirt if you guys guess right. And I'm just happy that it's up and running. It's not fouling out, bogging, doesn't, you know, running rich or lean, whichever one it was. I'm just happy that it's back on here. I'm able to drive it, and just to know that there's gonna be more to come. We've got a lot going.
Can I enter the contest?
No, you can't. Anyone that was here cannot enter the contest.
Damn it.
That's bullshit.
And so
1,000 horsepower.
yeah, he got it right, 1,000.
800 wheel.
And so hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know I did, because I finally get to see my car back up and running. It was worth it, and now it's just time for more power, time to really build this thing. And without you, and now, yeah, and now that it's not broke, and I'm really excited. Kind of speechless just because it's up and running. So it's alive, and I'm happy for it, and I'm happy that I get to drive it. And that'll end the video. We got an hour-long drive. I'm sure we'll be back here at this place, because you know what, more power, like I said earlier. And hopefully to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys follow our Instagram so you guys can enter in the contest. Make sure you guys follow our Twitter. Hit that subscribe button with the little ba-ding, like I always say, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.